Finn Whalen still on the hill for the Seagulls. They trail 6-0 here in the top of the 8th. Casey Levitt-McGee and the top of the Crawdads order due up, trying to add on to the lead. Derek Waldvogel will move to left field as Whalen started the game there, now moved to pitcher. So it's Casey Levitt-McGee trying to get off the schneid. He started the year slow so far, just one base hit and 17 at-bats as he looks at a called strike. Fastball right down the middle. Lefty hitter's a rising junior. He'll go to Cal State Bakersfield next year. Holds his bat high against the righty Whalen. Swing and a miss. A little late on the high changeup. Quick 0-2 on Levitt-McGee. He has 7 walks this year. Discipline has been his friend. Just hasn't had the base hits. The 0-2 home. Nowhere close. Bounced in front of the plate. Levitt-McGee takes for 1-2. Casey Levitt-McGee was the starting left fielder pretty much, the first few games for the Crawdads this year. He sat on the bench quite a bit recently. The 1-2. Rope to right field, down for a base hit. Cut off by the right fielder Ramirez. Levitt-McGee holds up at first. And that's a second base hit of the season. And the leadoff man is on for the Crawdads.
There it is. Way to break the big slump for Levitt-McGee. And Casey, he looked so good in the first 2 exhibition games for Walnut Creek against Berkovich Honors and then the Alameda Anchors. Just got a hit on opening day, and that was about it until now. Great to see him with potentially the start of a breakout.
So that'll bring up Cam Calvillo with 1 man on. The righty hitter has been on base 3 times, but is hitless. So he takes a fastball outside. Ball gets away from the backstop Johnson. That allows Casey Levitt-McGee to advance easily to second on the wild pitch. So Cam Calvillo now with an RBI opportunity. I mentioned he's been hit by a pitch twice. He also reached on an error, and he's stolen a pair of bags. 1-0 on Calvillo. Whalen hangs the ball. Now steps on, towing the first base side of the rubber. Checks in for the sign. Waits, now fires. 1-0 pitches outside. Fastball off the plate. 2-0. Calvillo making his season debut for the Crawdads. He's played at a variety of colleges so far. Most recently, Cal State Northridge. Hit .304 in 2025 there. The 2-0. Hit on the ground to the right side. It squeaks through to right field for a base hit. Levitt-McGee rounds third. He's racing toward home. The throw to the plate is offline, and Levitt-McGee is in there. And it's a RBI double for Cam Calvillo as he gets into second easily, and the Crawdads lead 7-0 on the Seagulls.
2 guys getting some big hits for the first time in a while for Levitt-McGee, and the first time for the season with Calvillo. Nice work just putting bat to the ball.
Calvillo's first hit of the season, like you mentioned, and it's a big one to extend the lead for the Crawdads. Ball was hit hard on the ground to the right side. Calvillo went the other way. So that'll bring up Joey Donnelly. He's no stranger to extra base hits himself. He had an RBI double back in the 3rd. Currently the team's leader in batting average, hitting .550 entering today. Man on second is Calvillo. The first pitch to the lefty hitter, taken outside. 1-0. Changeup, good location. Didn't get him to go. Mentioned Donnelly had a great series over the weekend. 6 hits in 8 tries against the Blues. The 1-0. Fastball outside, 2-0. Whalen struggling to settle in here against the Crawdads after getting the call from left field to the mound. Donnelly, lefty hitter, throws right. Waits on the pitch on the 2-0. Hits one straight into the dirt, foul. 2-1. Crawdads up 7-0. Still nobody out here in the top of the 8th. Crawdads are trying to win their 7th CCL game in a row after dropping the first one of the year. Seagulls trying to avoid 9 straight losses. The 2-1. Inside, called a strike around the knees. Fastball that Donnelly didn't like, but he'll take it. 2-2. Donnelly 6'2", 210 pounds. Bay Area local. Calvillo with a comfortable lead at second. Whalen fires home the 2-2. Half swing from Donnelly. Didn't go on the appeal over to third. Count goes full. Donnelly on a 6-game hitting streak. Really made a name for himself in the CCL after being nominated to the All-CCL team last year with the Saints. The payoff pitch. Hit on the ground to Brewer at second. Fires to first in time. Calvillo advances to third. And there's one away. So a pretty productive out, all things considered, for Joey Donnelly. Moves the runner to third. That'll bring up John Ewens, who's 0 for 1. A trio of hit by pitches on his day. Also grounded out to second. And on third is Calvillo. Ewens digs in on the left side against Whalen. First pitch, fouled straight back. Fastball a little late on it. 0-1. Ewens, the 20-year-old out of Waco, Texas. Hit 158 with the Baylor Bears in 2025 with just one extra base hit. The 0-1 home. Another one he's out in front of. Fouled straight back, 0-2. To be a changeup. Good location again from Whalen, who's mixed things around quite a bit. Ewens becoming the everyday first baseman for the Crawdads after a string of great games. Had 4 hits in the final game of the series against the Blues as he fouls one straight to the Seagulls dugout on the right side. Count stays 0-2.
Good battle here from Ewens. You know, that one could have been called a strike on the outer half. Has to go and protect the plate.
So he digs back in on the 0-2. Open stance. He waits on the 0-2 pitch. Swing and a miss. Outside fastball also was high, but it looked good to Ewens, and there's 2 away.
Tough break there out in front of the high fastball. Really nice deceptive stuff from Whalen. He looks good right now. He's found a groove. He's able to locate, get some bites.
So with 2 outs and a man on third, that brings up Zach Justice, who takes a strike. Curveball around the knees, 0-1. Justice is 0 for 4. Most recently a fly out to right. Calvillo with a short lead at third. The 0-1 hit high up in the air. Shallow center field. The second baseman Brewer is the one to call for it. He makes the catch. The Crawdads tack on 1. They leave 1 on third. They lead 7-0. We'll head to the bottom of the 8th. Crawdads up 7-0 here on the Crawdad Streaming Network.